Hello everyone, welcome to Vishnu IAS. Welcome back to Just 3 Minute series. Today we are going to see about important international borders and we will be seeing about the bordering countries of few countries, okay? Part 1 by Vishnu IAS team. So first important international border is 17th parallel line. So the 17th parallel line, it separates South Vietnam and North Vietnam. So this is the 17th parallel line and it separates North Vietnam and South Vietnam. The 17th latitude from the equator, okay, it divides the North and South Vietnam. Okay, it was demarcated based on the 1954 Geneva Accords. And how we can remember this is, you can write 17 like this, okay, by joining both the numbers and you'll get somewhat like V. Okay, so 17th is Vietnam, like that you can remember. 17 is Vietnam. Okay, so it divides South Vietnam and North Vietnam. So 17th latitude from the equator, it divides the North and South Vietnam. It was demarcated based on the 1954 Geneva Accords. The countries that is bordering the Vietnam are China, Laos and Cambodia. So you can remember as CLC, Vietnam CLC, and you have to remember two Gulfs, Gulf of Tonkin and Gulf of Thailand. And to make this more interesting, we'll see about other international borders also. So Ban Gyeok waterfall at the border between Vietnam and China. Okay, so it is a border between, this waterfall is a border between Vietnam and China. This beautiful waterfall which looks like a heaven, it is a real waterfall in which marks an international border between two countries, China and Vietnam. Ban Gyeok Daitian Falls, okay, or the Ban Gyeok Falls. So it is an collective name for the two waterfalls on the Quai San River, which stands as the international border between China and Vietnam. Next we are going to see the Friendship Bridge. Okay, it is also an international border, okay, on the border of Vietnam and China. Okay, that is this side it is Vietnam and that side it is China. This bridge, it connects Dongxing city in China and Mong Khai on the richest area, one of the richest areas of the Vietnam, northern Vietnam. Okay, so many Chinese run business there. They carry goods from China for their shops, and Vietnamese from Muang Chai, they also come to work in the Dongxing city factories or to sell the goods in the mainland. Okay, this is nearly 111 meters long, built by China and Vietnam together. The people who are holding the border area residence book that will be issued by both China and Vietnam, they will be able to cross the bridge every day between 8 a.m. and 9 p.m. and they have to come back to their own country before the border closes. Okay, so that was the rule followed there. Okay. Next, another international border is 20th parallel. Okay, so 20th parallel line, okay, it is between Libya and Sudan. Okay, so this red mark is this 20th parallel line. Okay, it is located at the 20th northern latitude. Okay, that is used as a border between Sudan and Libya. So it is this 20th parallel north is a circle of latitude that is 20 degrees from the equator, and it crosses Africa, Asia, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, North America, Caribbean and Atlantic Ocean. The parallel, it defines the part of the border between this 20th parallel, it defines the part of border between Libya and Sudan. So when you see Libya, okay, you can find it is bounded by Mediterranean Sea on one side. Okay, so Mediterranean Sea on the north, Egypt on east, Sudan on southeast, Chad on south. Okay, then Niger on and Chad both are on south, and Tunisia and Algeria on west. Okay, so how you can remember this is, so you can remember with the keyword tan, chai, egg, okay, and sun. Okay, so how you can remember is, sitting in sun and having chai and eating egg will bring tan to your skin. Okay, then you will become black, right? So you can have this as a trick to remember. Sitting in sun and eating chai and egg will bring tan. Okay, sun stands for Sudan, okay, and egg for Egypt, chai for Chad. Okay, in tan, all three letters are three different countries. Okay, T for Tunisia, A for Algeria, N for Niger. Sweden, which is officially called the Kingdom of Sweden. Okay, this is map of Sweden. Okay, when you see the Sweden map, okay, it is bordered by, okay, it is bounded by Norway to the west and north, and Finland to the east, and it is connected to the Denmark through a bridge tunnel across the Oresund Strait. Oresund. Okay, Oresund Strait. So when you remember Sweden, you should remember another two international borders. One is with Norway and Sweden. So with Norway and Sweden, the Norway-Sweden border is nearly 1630 kilometers, that is 1010-mile long land national border, and the longest border both for Norway and Sweden. This is the border of Norway and Sweden. And another important international border that you should remember is the three-country Kairen. Okay, three-country Kairen, Cairn. Okay, Kairen, three-country Kairen, that is Finland, Sweden and Norway. Okay, so this is that. Okay, the three-country Kairen, okay, it is a point at which the international borders of these three countries meet, that is Sweden, Norway and Finland meet, and the name of the monument that marks the point. Okay, so this is the marking of the tri-point of the border, and it is a concrete frustum. Next is Sweden-Denmark border. Okay, the country national border between Denmark and Sweden, it dates to 1658. Okay, it is an entirely maritime border. Okay, and it is in the Baltic Sea between the Bornholm and Scania. So the territorial waters, that is 12-mile zone of these two countries, meet exclusively at the Oresund Strait. Okay, and there is one road and rail connection of 16 kilometers that was opened in 2000. That's all. Thank you. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, click on like button and share it to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Do subscribe our channel and join our Telegram channel link to get infos about the daily current affairs, to get the value added materials also. Thank you.